Ancient and yet fun-loving, exotic but friendly, Thailand bursts with the golden color of its temples, blue skies and silver moonlit nights, welcoming all its visitors with its sweet embrace and warm smile. Fraser and Neave Limited, or F&N, was founded in Southeast Asia by two visionary Scotsmen, John Fraser and David Neave, in 1883. Over the next 130 years, it would become one of the food and beverage giants in the region.
F&N Thailand is a member of F&N Limited from Singapore. So it has a 133 years old history in the business of beverages, real estate and publishing.
The Rojana plant of F&N Dairies Thailand is located in the ancient Thai capital city of Ayutthaya, 70 kilometers north of Bangkok.
F&N Dairies Thailand is the biggest factory in the world. In our factory, we produce sterile milk in cans, 3 million cans a day, or 2,500 cans per minute.
F&N Dairies has set very high standards on its food safety, production efficiency, and energy usage goals. The plant adheres to very strict quality control measures at every step of the manufacturing process, and the Rojana plant relies on the latest manufacturing technologies and solutions to meet these goals and measures. One of the solutions developed at F&N Dairies Thailand is Process Nexus 2.
Process Nexus 2 is our own software development system. It is the process and quality data acquisition system. So the online data will be captured and ready for the user to perform review and release online.
Process Nexus 2 takes care of net content control, a very important metric that measures product net weight and product loss.
Imagine you have 3 million cans per day. How to ensure the network control? We use Process Nexus 2 to capture information.
The captured net weight is plotted to show its trend. From there, the operators at F&N Dairies are able to calculate overfill in real time and are able to react immediately and minimize loss. Process Nexus 2 is also responsible for product inventory control. Normally, after production is completed, the finished products are typically stored in a warehouse. After Process Nexus 2, products are dispatched early and sent straight to the container vans, ready for transfer to the ports for distribution.
This system, we can reduce the inventory in the warehouse, and then we can create cost saving, and we can pay back the system investment within 1 year.
Before the implementation of Process Nexus 2, operators had to log in plant data in the paper operations sheets while operating the plant. When quality parameter deviations are detected, the operators have to manually trace the information in the paper operations sheets in the archive room, and it took a very long time to trace root cause.
After Nexus 2 implementation, we have very convenience, summarize the data and consolidate the data. We try to take the traceability of the product upstream and downstream. It's a very real-time operation.
Process Nexus 2 also takes care of the batching processes of the Rojana plant.
In Nexus 2, we have get benefit precisely control of the material, and we have saved material loss.
Quality monitoring and documentation was also a big challenge at the Rojana plant at the start.
Before Nexus 2, it was difficult, time-consuming, and easy to get mistake during review parameter. Before Nexus 2, it's very workload of QA documentation in processing line with about 40 reports. For the example, documents of raw material receiving, processing control sheets, filling and packaging control sheet, and cleaning operation control sheet.
Quality traceability is a very big concern at F&N Dairies because Thai law dictates that the plant must be able to store and retrieve product information fast and correctly. That quality documentation must be kept until the end of the product's shelf life, which is typically 2 years.
Nexus 2 help us to solve this problem by single 1-minute traceability Without the Nexus 2 program, it would take more than 4 hours for one testability exercise.
Process Nexus 2 is basically an online tracking program that helps F&N Dairies Thailand monitor all the parameters in the manufacturing process. It starts from raw material receiving to processing until the products are released to the customer. First-time quality, or FTQ, is a lean metric that indicates what parts are manufactured correctly the first time without need for reinspection, rework, or replacement.
When the parameter was out of the control, we can take action immediately. So the products are high quality, high reliability, as shown by 100% first-time quality.
The fact that F&N Dairies gets 100% FTQ says a lot about the skill of its personnel and how effective Process Nexus 2 is to manufacturing. Process Nexus 2 was created with the help of Wonderware software. Behind Process Nexus 2 is Wonderware InTouch and a host of other products.
We offer the MES operation system and Wonderware system platform, Wonderware Historian, and next one is a QI analysis software to Nexus 2 project according to their function requirement such as quality, tag, and traceability.
Why did F&N Dairies Thailand choose Wonderware?
The two main reasons that we choose Wonderware product is, the first one is that this Wonderware product have the connectivity capability to connect amongst the industrial automation device and the computers, measuring instrument, and the laboratory measuring instruments. The reason number two is that we consider the total cost of ownership in the system upgrade. Once the Windows version change, also the Wonderware product change version. So when we consider the Wonderware product, we compare amongst the software application and the total cost of ownership is comparatively lower than the others.
It takes a small village of engineers to create an elegant solution. Wonderware maintains a seasoned team of consultants, architects, project managers, engineers, and system integrator partners that are uniquely qualified to provide design engineering and product specialist services that address all aspects of supervisory control, operations, and asset management services. Wonderware ecosystem partner Sagittate worked with F&N Dairies to complete the Process Nexus 2 project.
Sagittate has been experienced in CPG and F&B process more than 16 years, and we have provided in-batch QI analysis and performance software to our customer more than 50 plants in Thailand.
The trust of F&N Dairies in the capability of Wonderware ecosystem partner Sagittate is evident in its long and deep collaboration.
Sagittate and F&N have passed the major situation together. We built this factory together and also recover it from the flooding crisis together. They provide us the fully support at all times that we requested. For us, Sagittate is not just a supplier, but they are our friends.
With Process Nexus 2, the Rojana plant of F&N Dairies Thailand enjoys significant savings in production, logistics, and inventory costs. It is well placed to meet the needs of its business goals now and in the future, with a little help from Wonderware.